Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video I unwrapped or I unboxed one of these Pochacco amusement park wagon from MINISO. I got the stick donuts, so watch my previous video to see this. But we got a new one. We are gonna unbox it right now. Oh, I showed you guys in the last video, but there's 8 different options: ticket holder, hot dog, popcorn, stick donuts, which is what I got, plush toy, cookie, candy, and a stick balloon. Those are my 4 options. Let's see what we get this time around. Dun 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 dun. Should I say which one I want? No, because then I'll be disappointed. Let's not be disappointed. Let's just be happy about anything we get. Let's get the piece of paper out first. Let's see what we... Oh, we got the cookie. Oh, so stinking cute. It comes with a little bench, looks like. A little tin and some cookies. How freaking adorable. And it looks like a receipt. That's very cute. Okay. Let's begin. Oh. Last one didn't have 2 baggies. This one does. Oh my god. Look at how freaking cute. And it comes with a little baggie. The little cookies. Oh my god. How freaking detailed are those? Love that. And the little popsicle. And a little tin can. Oh, with stickers to decorate the tin can and the lid. What even? This is like so adorable. Okay. Let's get him out of the bench. Ooh, sorry. How freaking cute. I love him. I love him and his little balloon. Let's just open all these and fold it. Let's make one cut. Pulling out the sticker. So huge. The little lid, which is adorable. Wow. The cute little tin. Oh, I should probably get them in the video. Scoot it back a little. There you go. Push, 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 push. Ah! I dropped him. Rescue mission. How cute is this? Lovely. Let's get the little baggie out. I feel like this is going to keep my cookies in place. This is sturdy. It's made out of thick cardboard. And then last but not least, the freaking cookies. What a cutie. And then these are like little bananas. What are they? Banana cookies? And a little paw print. How freaking cute. Let's throw them in the little tin. Shake it all about. Does it close properly? It looks pretty not closable. Like, I mean, like it stays on, but it's not like gonna secure itself. Interesting. It'd be kind of nice if it, like, if you could spin it and it would lock. but it just looks like it's one rim. Purely decor, but what a cutie. Should we put this on? I feel like I should be using a tool for this because I don't want to mess this up. I guess this is the white part, so that should go in first. And I feel like I almost shouldn't peel the whole thing off. I should, ooh, maybe take those out, huh? I'm gonna go like this and only do partial. And just make sure that it's kind of straight and even. Let me take my glasses off. I'm scared to put it on. I'm scared to put it on. Anybody else have like sticker? I think I did it wrong. Oh, there you go. Like you're scared to commit with putting a sticker down because you love the sticker so much. I have that. Or like I just have a collection of unused stickers that are super pretty, but I refuse to use them. Nope, this is slanted. I'm already messing it up. See? I'm glad I'm taking it slow. Because no, we're not going to commit to a slanted little jug. No, we're not. No, we are not. I think I got it. I think I got it. I'm doing this so slow. Oh yeah, and then it did cover a little bit of the white part. I think the end is sticking up a little bit there, so I wasn't perfect with it, but wow, pretty. Oh my god, how freaking cute is this? I love this so much. Stinking adorable. Okay, cookies, get inside. Be cookified. So cute. Perfection. I'll put it next to his little bench with his little balloons. Let's just put it all out there. Look at us making a scene. Should I zoom in? Ooh, I'm shaking. Not the best zoom in action over here, but how cute. I should get more. I want more. All right. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.